Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge IGCSE paper 2 for examination from 2025. So these are the specimen papers that will help you to know what kind of papers are you going to get in 2025, right? So the biggest change this year we have this, that there will be one paper without calculator. So this is non-calculator paper for extended students, right? Another change here, you will see all these instructions are same as previous. So the total marks of this paper will be 100 now, and time is going to be 2 hours. So time is going to be 2 hours to complete this paper. So next, another change that you can see over here, you will be given a list of formulas. So you can see all formulas are not available, but still there are many that will be useful. As you can see, this is area of triangle, area of circle, circumference, then curved surface area of cylinder, and curved surface area of cone, and all these you must go through before you start practicing your exam, so that you know which formulas are available. This quadratic formula is also available here, and you can see triangle, this sine, cosine rules are also there, and area of the triangle is also there, right? So let's start. We have this question here. Before we start, I would request you guys kindly subscribe to the channel if you are getting benefit of these videos, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section about the feedback, and kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So let's start. The first question that we have here, write the ratio 20:30 in its simplest form. So in simplest form, so that means you are going to just divide by the same number. So both are even numbers, they are divisible by 2. I can divide it by 2. 2 times 6 and 15 times 2 is 30. Now these two numbers, so here we have divided it by 2. Now again we can divide it here. Now these two are divisible by 3. 3 times 2 6, 3 times 5. So the final answer is 2:5. So you continue dividing unless you get the simplest form, right? Write on the number of line of symmetry of a kite. A kite is a shape like this, right? Like this. So it has only one line of symmetry here in the center. So final answer is 1. We are asked to find out the number of line of symmetry. Now number 3, the stem and leaf diagram is here, shows the number of minutes taken by each of 18 students to complete a task. So and this is the stem and leaf diagram, and this is the key given 1 to 1. This represents 12 minutes, right? This way, this is 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 16 and 19, and so on, right? So one thing you guys need to remember, always underline the keywords so that you don't miss out some important information. So the first part we have here, find the range. So what is range? Range is the maximum value minus minimum value, right? Maximum value here is, you can see this is 39, and minimum value here is 12. So this is maximum and this is minimum here. So 1 to 12, 3, 9, 39. So we are going to subtract that. So this comes out to be 9 minus 2, 7, 3 minus 1 is 2, so 27. Remember, you can't use calculator here. Now find the median. Median is the value that comes in the middle. So we will start striking off, or another way, let me give you the simplest way. So here, what is our n? N is 18. So number of these minutes here given are like of 18 students. There are 18 students. 18 divided by 2, this is even number, so it will be 9. So middle value is going to be 9th, and mean of 9th and 10th. So we are going to find out mean of 8th and 9th and 10th value. So 9th value here is, we will start counting from the beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9th is this and 10th is here. So this is 24 and this is 28. So we are going to add 24 and 28 divided by 2. So this is 52 over 2, that is 26. So it is 26 minutes. Right. Now part C, a student draws a pie chart to show the information in the stem and leaf diagram. Complete the table for angles on the pie chart. So we have to find out the angle here. So now number of minutes we are given here t, and angle on pie chart is in degrees. So we have number of minutes here we have 10 to 20, between 10 to 20, 10 to 20. So total is 18 here. Okay, so this one I will count from here. So this is number of minutes here, 10 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is 12, this is up to 19. So we will put 4 over here. Then 20 to 30, this line is 20 to 30 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write down here 8. Okay, then 30 to 40 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6 over here. Okay, so we are looking for the angle. So 4 out of 18 are in this 10 to 20, and how many will be out of 360, because pie chart we are going to draw out of 360. So 18 times 2, so 4 times 20, it is 80 degrees. So this is 80 degree. Now next one is 8 over 18 times 360. Again the same calculation, 18 times 2, this is 20. So 8 times 2, 16, it is 160. So this is going to be 160 degree. And the last one here we have 6 over 18 times 360. 18 times 2, so 6 times 2, it is 120, right? So that's it for this question. This is 2 marks question. I hope you understood that. Easily you can score these marks here. Now number 4, work out 3 over 7 times 14 over 15. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 3 over 7 times 14 over 15. So we can simplify as much as we can. Now you see 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. So here 7 and 2. So we are left with 2 over 5. So the answer is going to be 2 over 5 in its simplest form. Right. Now find the size of an exterior angle in a regular decagon. Now do you remember what is the number of sides of a decagon? It is 10 sides. Right. A polygon with the 10 sides is called a decagon. We are looking for the interior angle. So we know that the interior angle actually sum of interior angle is n minus 2 times 180, and if you divide it by n you are going to get one interior angle. So this is going to be 10 minus 2 times 180 over 10. So this is 8 times 180 over 10. So this 0 and 0 is gone. So we have 18 times 8 is 144. Right. So in these kind of questions you may need some tables, or you can even multiply. So if you can remember some tables, that will be really helpful to save your time during your exam. Right. Now number 6, convert 5.6 liters to 1 centimeter cube. So we are converting from liters to centimeter cubes. So as we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cubed, right? So this is the formula that we are going to use. So then we are going to multiply here 5.7 liters to centimeter cube is going times 1000. So 57000. So this is 5700, right? Now next question, write these numbers in order starting with smallest. So you can see we have these numbers here, all are, this is fraction, this is decimal, fraction and percentage. So it's better if you convert all of them into one form. So I think it's easy to convert that into decimal. So if I divide this 3 by 20, so we will have here, first of all I have to put 0, decimal 0, 20, then 1, 20, 0, 0, we can put one more 0 here. So 20 times 5 is 100. So it is 0.15, and this is 0.143. 1 divided by 6, so let's divide 1 by 6. So decimal again 0, 6 times 1, 640, 6 times 6 is 36. We are continuously going to get this one, right, because every time we are getting remainder. So I can write it down 0.1667, let's see, and this is 16 over 100, it is going to be 0.16, right? So as this is, there are 4 decimal places, I can put zeros here to make these 4 decimals. Now you see, now it's easy to compare. So whole part is, you see 0 everywhere, so whole part is not going to make any difference. So if you see, this is 1500, 1400, 1600 and 600. So the smallest one is this here. I will put first numbers here, then second number is this one, 1500, then third is 1600, 1667 is on the last. So now when we putting here, we got the order already. Now to put here, remember you are going to write down the original form, right? This is what we have done, but you have to put this one there on the required, this will be our required number to write down on the given space. So second is 3 over 2, 3 over 20, sorry, then 16%. Lastly we have here 1 over 6. Okay, now next question, Jude has a fair 8-sided spinner numbered 1 to 8. Okay, Jude spins the spinner once, find the probability that spinner lands on 6. So how many times we are getting, sorry, greater than 6, greater than 6. So greater than 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here we have 7 and 8. We have only two numbers which are greater than 6. So probability is 2 out of how many are they? They are 8. So 2 over 8, either 2 over 8 over 1 or 1 over 4 in the simplest form. So this will be the answer. And second, find the probability that spinner lands on even number or a multiple of 7. So we are looking for even number. If you look at even numbers here, so even numbers here are, we have 2, 4, 6 and 8, and or multiple of 7. Multiple of 7 is only one here, which is 7. So how many in total now? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the probability of this is going to be 5, and which is out of 8. So 5 over 8 is going to be the answer for that, right? Now Jude spins the spinner 240 times. Work out the expected number of times the spinner lands on greater than 6. So greater than 6, we have just done it over here. It is 1 over 4 times 240. So 4 times 6, this is going to be 60. So 60 is the final answer, right? Now let's see the next question. Using a ruler and a pair of compass only, construct a rhombus with the side 6 centimeter and diagonal of length 9.5. So this I can show you only the rough diagram. One side is drawn. So rhombus, first thing, rhombus is a shape having all sides equal, right? All sides equal. So rhombus, it is going to be like this. So it's like a square, but with not angle 90. Square has all sides equal, but all these sides are equal. This is the shape of rhombus. So so you measure this from here to here. The length is 9.5, sorry, diagonal is 9.5, sorry, side length is 6 and diagonal is 9.5. so this is 6 centimeter. So what do you do? So place your compass here at point, let me write it down, A and B. Put on A, and first of all you are going to draw a length of 9.5. so this is, open your compass and 9.5 and draw an arc here. It is going to be somehow like here. Okay, this is going to be 9.5, and then this is side, we are going to have a side. So from here to here you open the compass and 6 centimeter, draw an arc. So then you join it like this. This is going to be a 6 centimeter. Then you put your compass here on this intersecting point, which is C, and open it 6 centimeters. So you are going to have 6 centimeter line here, and also from here 6 centimeters. So you are going to get something like this, right? So then you join this. So this is your rhombus ABCD, right? Sorry, I can't make it with exact measurements, but I told you this was the diagonal that we have drawn before, which is 9.5 centimeters. Then remember to label all these sides are 6 centimeters, right? Now number 10, this time the time that Rafiq works in is divided into meetings, planning and working on a computer. One day Rafiq's meeting is 3/4 of the time, meeting, planning and working. Work out the total time that Rafiq works this day. Okay, so give your answer in hours and minutes. So first of all we have to suppose that let total time. So because the time is divided, so the total time, he said, like Rafiq's work is divided into the time that he is using is divided into 3 parts. So I'm taking this as x hours, right? So for this, now he spends on meetings 3/4 of x. 3/4 of x is 3x, 3/4x. Then he uses his time on planning also. So for planning he uses 1/5 of the time, so 1/5x. And on computer he for the remaining 25 minutes on the computer. So on computer is 25 minutes, right? So now sum of all these is going to be what is equal to x, right? So we are going to add this, all of these, 3/4x plus 1/5x plus 25 minutes. So these are 25 minutes. I'm converting this into hours divided by 60 because these are hours, so we are taking hours. This is equal to x. Okay, so now to solve this we can multiply the whole equation by 60. When you multiply whole equation by 60, so this is going to be 60 times 3/4x plus 60 times 1/5x plus 60 times 25/60. Remember, we have to do the same on right hand side. I have just done this to simplify, otherwise you can take LCM also, it's up to you. So this 4 times 15 times 4 is going to be 60 here. 15 times 3, it is 45x, plus this is going to be 12x. 60 divided by 5, this is gone, plus 25 equals to 60x, right? So this is 57x minus 60x. I brought 60 on a left hand side, so I am taking 25 on other side. So this is minus 3x equals to minus 25/3. So this minus and minus gets cancelled. So x is going to be this 3 is shifted on other side, like divided by 3 on both sides. So 25/3. So we need answer in hours and minutes. So 25 divided by 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So 1. So 8 hours. These are 8 hours, and remaining we have 1/3 minutes. 1/3. So it is 8 1/3. So that means 8 hours plus 1/3 times, I put it times 60 to convert into minutes. So 20 minutes. So we will have 20 minutes here. right? So this is 5 marks question, so you have to be careful while doing calculations. So single mistake can sometimes cost a lot, so remember, go slowly in these kind of questions. Now number 11 question from algebra, expand. So we are expanding the brackets. So 2 times this 3x, 2 times 3 is 6, x power 1 and 2, it will become 3. Then 2x also multiplies, it minus sign here, we put minus, and then this 2x is going to multiply here. 8 times 2 is 16 x squared, right? So this is going to be the answer, 6x cube minus 16x squared, right? Now factorize, we can use this formula, a square, you can see it's in the form of this, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, right? So a is x plus 19 and x minus 19. So this is the answer, x plus 19 and x minus 19. 1 mark question, so very simple. Work out this. Again we can use same formula here, a square minus b square is a plus b, sorry, this is 19, a plus b and a minus b. So this became 100 times 62, so 6200. Okay. Number 12, a force of 196 Newton is applied to a square surface of side 4.9. Okay. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate pressure applied to the square surface. Now this question seems like it's question from physics, but they have given you the formula here, so don't worry about that. So we are given that pressure is equal to force over area, right? So pressure is equal to force of area, and we are looking for by writing this estimate pressure, yeah, we are looking for pressure. So we will be using this formula. Now area of the square, we are given the side, it is 4/9. So what is area? Area is going to be 4.9 times 4.9, but he said using estimate to one significant figure. So these two to one significant figure is going to be 5.0 times 5.0. right? So this is 25, so area is 25. So force we are given 196, so 196 to two significant figures becomes 200 Newton. So we will use this force now, 200 over 25, so which comes out to be 8 Newton. This is Newton and this was meter square. So sorry, it was centimeter. So it is 8 Newton per centimeter square, right? So don't worry about these kind of questions when you read it first time. So sometime it takes time to understand, so you can reread and underline the keywords, then you can start working it out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Be blessed guys, see you in the next video.